Yeah, that looks excellent.
Hey, what's up? This is Doug with the VHS Group, and we're almost done with another one of our projects. It's really come together. If you go back and look at one of our first videos that we ever did on this channel, it was doing a pre-wire. So that is actually the space that I'm in now. So Nick, the contractor, absolutely knocked it out of the park and has built a beautiful space, and we're excited to be a part of it. So this area here is like the bar space, but really the neat space is if you come around this way. So if you follow around here, this is where the actual theater is. This is a 7.2 setup. So we have 4 in-ceiling speakers. We have 3 in-wall speakers that are set up behind this acoustically transparent screen. And then we have a pair of Focal in-wall subwoofers. We've got all of our speakers installed at this point. So we've got the 4 in-ceiling speakers, and then we've got the 3 front speakers, the right, center, and left. Really love how this turned out, how these look. They'll all be hidden behind the screen, but for right now they're beautiful to look at. Then we've got the pair of in-wall subwoofers. As you can see, there's still some work that needs to be done, but it's really come together and it's up and operational. This is where a lot of the brains of the operation are. This is all going to be covered up soon, but again, yeah, super cool. So the in-ceiling speakers are the TruAudio Rev 72s. They're angled kind of directionally into the space. If you notice also, the ceiling has a barrel vault, and we did some really cool lighting there as well. I'll kill the light so you can get a better look at that. This is beautiful here. So we did the Epson LS800T ultra short throw projector. So I'm going to turn this around. And if you see here, you still need a cabinet door to go on, but it's nice and flush. This was custom made specifically for this project and to meet these dimensions. This is a 110-inch screen here. Looks beautiful. Really, really happy with it. But again, once that door's on and you can see how flush that is, it just gives a really cool effect. I'm going to turn this light off. So with the light off, you get a better sense. Plus you can see that lighting that's in that ceiling. It's really cool looking. The lighting is the GOVEE RGBIC strips, the Pro strips. I don't know if I can show you how they're set up. I'll do my best. The power still needs to be finally ran to where it goes. But the strips are in. Those are up and inside. Gives a nice soft glow to the space. They're all, customizable. You can change all the colors, of course. But yeah, really a beautiful space. Super happy with how it has come together. And the client is super happy too. This projector is just crazy. Such a clear, pretty image. We've also got the lighting underneath the cabinet. These are motion sensitive, so as you walk up, those will turn on. So yeah, I think that about covers it. The next time that we'll be back working at this house, we'll be putting in a golf simulator back here. Thanks for checking it out. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.